Okay guys, so it is the second day after Nicole has come through. It exited this area actually yesterday and went to the western side of Florida. So I thought we would come down and show you a little bit of what the beach cut is looking like. And of course we're going to share, what it's looking like around our condo unit. So come on, let's go see what Nicole left us. Peepaw came down here earlier, and you guys, you've actually seen this beach access many times, but normally I can tell you that when we walk out, these roots right here are on top of ground, so you can see how much that the surf actually cut things here. It's crazy. I'd say that's a good 10-foot drop. Oh wow. Of the wood. This is why right here, I'm sure that stuff's out there in the water, but check it out. You can see there's like screws and stuff. That's off of people's beach access and docks and stuff like that. So you can see Peepaw way up there, but like look at all the stuff out there. It's like all in the water down this way. I can't believe people are way out that way either. There is no way I would be out in that water, because I can tell you, if you look, there's boards and all kinds of stuff floating out there. But hey, what are you gonna do? That's what a hurricane does. We'll probably be seeing trash for a long time. See that right there? That is a turtle nest. A turtle went way up in there. You see why they go so far up in the dunes now with the hurricanes. You know what? Right here just kind of demonstrates why vegetation on dunes are so important, because look at all the root system. And that's probably helped preserve this dune a little bit. I just found this bottle sticking out at the very bottom down there. Crazy. Kind of makes me think of Stranger Things and the Upside Down. Wait, am I in the Upside Down? So you can kind of tell that this got undermined. It was up there and fell down. That'll just, grow back in. See that? That is a turtle nest. Now normally these stairs right here have a sand dune coming down to like the next to the last post there. So that just shows you, we had a lot of beach erosion happen here. They did a sand restoration project probably about 3 years ago, where they were hauling in constantly big trucks full of sand. So these were normally in the sand. And so you can see how much below the beach level that washed out. Okay, so I can't believe that somebody's actually going out to surf with all that stuff in the water. I mean, there's trash all around him. That's kind of nuts. Fall off and that stuff hits you in the head and knocks you out, you'd be in trouble. I mean, there are trees floating out here. There he goes. So that was a pretty good find that I found there in the bottom of the dunes. Yep, this is a pre-machine bottle because the seam stops right there at the neck. So that's been in there an awful long time at the bottom of those dunes. That was pretty cool. And we've kind of got the porch a little bit set back up. We had pulled all of these up and it rained. It's like it's damp underneath my feet all the way back, you know, like halfway in. So the wind, you know, blew all the rain in from here. But we are very blessed. We didn't have any like major issues around here. The worst part is that we've got like storm trash we've got to pick up. I mean, we got some pretty good wind out here. The Space Center, which is about 40 miles north of us here, actually recorded like 80 plus mile per hour winds there, because you know they have that Artemis rocket that they left out on the launch pad, so they always watch, of course, the wind speeds and the weather. That's a big part of their deal. Yeah, but you can see I got a lot of palm fronds to go in there and pick up, but you get those even with just like regular storms. So like I said, we're super blessed. Yeah, it's one of our biggest deals is drying out this carpet. And you may ask, why do you have carpet down there? Well, this is like a regular deck board underneath of it. And here, there's a bug called a no-see-um. And they will, well, they can actually come through screen even sometimes, but they will come up through the floorboards. I actually react to the bites. So this keeps them from just coming in and making this an unlivable, unusable space. But so this is Sebastian Inlet's Jetties, November the 13th. A bunch of those grates on the end got washed away, so they have everything closed down there. They even have blocked the entrance into the state park. So no idea how long that's going to be the case. But it is closed and barricaded. So I just gotta say, we feel like we're pretty blessed with what happened, what the aftermath was of Hurricane Nicole coming through. So hope you enjoyed the video.
Hello friends, and thanks for giving us your time. And please drop us a comment because we just love getting those. But more importantly, keep going out and exploring. Life matters. We hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.